Hi guys, my name is Basik Omani and welcome to another video. In this channel, we're all about nourishing your growth, focusing on personal development and self-discovery. Do not forget to like, comment, share and subscribe. The more you like, the more you subscribe, the more YouTube is able to push this video so that other people can be able to see it. And we also have timestamps in the description. So you can just go to the part that you want to go to, but I do suggest you watch the whole video for more value. So today's topic is, what is disrespecting yourself? Are you disrespecting yourself? So disrespecting yourself is always criticizing yourself, not valuing your own opinions, and allowing people to invade your boundaries. How you are disrespecting yourself: number one, pouring from an empty cup. How are you of service to other people when you are empty inside? When your root is all dried up, when you're not nurturing it, you're not pouring water over it, you're not taking care of it. What kind of fruits are you giving to people? Nurturing yourself can come in various ways. Feeding yourself knowledge is one of the ways that you can nurture yourself. Listening and associating yourself with the people that you want to be like. And also sit down with yourself and visualize what type of a person you want to be and how you want to show up as that person every single day. Number two, comparing yourself. Firstly, comparison is toxic. Comparing yourself has become a norm because you go on the internet and you're looking at other people's lives and you're internalizing everything that you're seeing, and you start comparing it. You start seeing your life as not being worthy. You start feeling like you're not doing enough. You start wanting to be like that other person, forgetting that you also have a destiny that you need to fulfill. You have a purpose that you have to fulfill. So the next time you want to compare yourself to other people, or the next time you fancy somebody else's life, ask yourself, what is special about you? What is it that you love about yourself? Number three, focusing on the bad instead of the good. There will never be a moment in your life where your life is 100%. Oprah once said, you can have everything that you want, but not all at once. So what that means is that, yes, there will be parts of your life that are not looking great, they're not the best. And also there are parts of your life that are looking good. So instead of focusing on what's not going right in your life, focus on what's going good. There's so much to be appreciative of, guys. I also advise people to always have a gratitude journal. One thing about a gratitude journal, it keeps you in the moment and makes you appreciate what you have. Number four, hiding your emotions. Firstly, you are a human being. There will be times, there are days where you're going to be happy, there are days that you're not going to be happy. And there are times where you'll be sad, you'll be angry, you'll be feeling like you're losing your mind. Take those emotions and be able to allow yourself to feel those emotions. Also with people, you don't always have to be happy with other people. You need to also show those other people around you that you are a human being. There are days where you don't feel your best. There are days where you don't feel like being with other people, and you need to communicate that out. When you are honest with your feelings, when you are honest with how you're feeling, what is it that you want, it helps you navigate life much easier. Number five, you thinking that you don't need a community is you lying to yourself. Life is very hard and it can be very stressful. So when you isolate from other people, I know most of us don't have the best experiences with family, friends, but I don't believe that all is bad out there. There are forums, there are groups, there are platforms where women engage with themselves to motivate one another. Women get into church groups to pray for one another. Women get into forums so that they motivate each other career-wise, physically, emotionally. They understand that we all need a community. I know I'm very much guilty of that, where I have put myself in a situation, where I've put myself in a place where I thought I don't need people, I don't need a community, I can do it on my own. But you know what? Life does get lonely out there. Sometimes you just need a simple conversation with a stranger. You just need to take action and put yourself out there. So we have reached the end of the video. Thank you for coming this far. And do not forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. And do check out my digital store where I have a walk in love journal with God. It has scriptures, it has questions that ask you about religion, spirituality. I also have a free ebook, Overcoming Disrespect from Parents, that helps you navigate parent dynamics and it helps you to move forward. Yes, and I hope to see you in another video. Thank you.